Going underneath 595 and Dania Beach cut off. Keeping our eye out for manatee. Try to get whatever I can out of the water. Piece of foam. We got a pretty good high tide right now. We left early today at 11 o'clock. Woohoo! We got to do some navigating up here.
So, bye for now.
No, we're going to navigate through.
You don't want to pull a
There's
Lisa.
rocks on both sides apparently. And you stray off a little bit and you're into those rocks right away. So we're not going to do that. We're going to follow in between the markers.
And watch out for the kayak.
We are just south of 595 going southwest. Fish Joe. Fish Joe. There could be manatee in here. Another fish Joe.
Maybe he's trying to get away from the manatee.
Manatee don't eat fish.
Oh.
At least not that I know
Wow,
of.
he's really
Yeah, he's jumping. Yeah, I can. You're gonna wait. See, maybe he'll jump some more. Kingfisher swimming, flying around. We got some kayakers up here, just taking our time. A lot of manatee in the area. We haven't seen any today, but we know they're out here. Here, huh? Hold it. Just don't put your fingers in front.
See a lot of manatees?
We haven't seen any today.
Oh, we have a good.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
really? Yeah.
That's
All right.
awesome.
Good to know. Good to know.
He said they saw 7 or 8.
7 or 8 huge manatees. So we got to take it slow. Unfortunately, this is new to us, and we've got to take it slow because you really don't want to hit a manatee.
No,
We've already had one come up and bump the bottom of the boat. That was scary enough for us. I know that we're going to be over by the power plant, and apparently manatee like to congregate around the power plant water.
Because it's warmer.
I'm not sure if this power plant has water coming out or only water going in. So we're gonna take it nice and easy along here.
Well, you should slow down then.
I am going slow. It's slow. I've got polarized sunglasses on, so I should be able to see fairly well. Manatee, when they come out, they only really show their nose or their tail. And that's it. That's a log sticking out of the water. A root. So this is slow speed, minimum wake. So we're gonna go slow speed, minimum wake. I see some streaks in the water up here, not sure. Now, see up here, if, like what you did, hon, I can guarantee you people have gone straight in. No, I know. People have gone straight into that. and that's bad. You don't want to go in there. They should have that cordoned off, knowing how rocky it is in there. Oh my God, horrible.
Back to the manatee though. I think you can see manatee easier when you're in kayaks, when you're closer to the water, than when you're in a boat.
Yeah, we're pretty low though. This boat doesn't have a high profile. And then if you were in a really tall boat, you'd be able to look down, and look in the water and see them.
That's true.
The manatee are definitely going to be hanging out in here because there's going to be all kinds of mangroves to swing along and eat from. So we're taking it easy. That's it for now. My wife's telling me to cut it, so cut.